In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. If you never used it before, hit allow in the pop-up and then use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, hold it. Click rename at the bottom and type in wherever you want to. Then select OK. To delete it, hold it again and this time use bin icon next to rename one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!